Hey everyone, it's American Nick here, and today I'll be doing a 2 model Christmas unboxing. As you can see here, there's a plane, both the United Airlines NG models. So, this seller, before getting this video, is very good at packaging. It's not a normal box. Look at this. Instead of just putting a shipping label there, look, detailed it really well. And I'm actually really surprised. See? Put United Airlines stickers, the logo, Boeing stickers. So here's the seller. You can scan this QR code. So shout out to this seller. It's super good. The packaging is really nice. So also on this, the stickers and new models. As you can see here, the seller gave us extra stickers. I have to take a look at it and open it. But I'm really surprised because most sellers, they just give a cardboard box and yeah. But I'm not complaining about that because that's what I always expect. But I did not expect to get like a lot of stickers and really detailed packaging. So yeah, I will need to take this thing off if I can. Now, I'm gonna show you the stickers live. So just to prove it. Oh! Wow! Oh, not only sticker, there's a pin? The 2 cards on here. Is this a bonus? I'm not really sure. They even gave us a tag, a back tag. Oh, this is okay. You need to buy from this seller because this seller really thoughtful packaging. So okay, I'm now happy that I paid a little extra for this. Oh shoot, I dropped my model. But anyway, yeah, you should buy from the seller. I think it's called Airplane Iberica, I think so. Yeah, you find this on eBay. So yeah, you have a really nice seller. But anyway, I will open this up first, and we can take a look at the goodies in here. All right, so here we go. So. First of all, goodies, we got this tag, 737 MAX, United Airlines, and I'm not oh, this is the seller business card. And then these are the 2 NG model cards. No, you're not getting any of this, haha. And here is a United Airlines pin. Yeah, that's pretty much all. So, yeah, so at least I don't have to dig in the box and get my card. So, that aside, get to our main deal. The United Airlines 737 MAX line in O livery, and the United 757-200 in the O livery. This one was the blended winglets, which is the former Continental Airlines. So yeah, let's just get started into this unboxing. So, let's get in the United Airlines 757 first. This is the one of the first releases, or the second release, where they had the CRP cards back in 2022, which is actually 2 years ago. So, the front of the box, registration of this aircraft in November 41135. It's pretty detailed with the United Continental side of boxes with nice blending colors. Here's the back of the box. Alright, let's take a look. So the card is, yeah, the seller just took out the card. Alright, well, you look at that. If I can get it out. Yeah. Alright, so this is the United 757-200 in the Continental Globe livery. This is one of the last 757 United Airlines. I I need before I'm done with the 757 collection for United Airlines. Obviously, not like those really rare ones from Gemini Jets. But yeah, let's check if this model is broken. Yeah, good quality control NG. Oh, shoot. No, never mind. Yeah, this model's not broken. Alright. Gears roll pretty well. Let's just get into the details. Alright, so first of all, we got the nose cone, cockpit windows, Star Alliance logo, there's an emergency exit door, it's a front landing gear with the E-tops on it, United titles, another emergency exit door is the RB211 engines, there's another 2 emergency exit doors here, is the blended winglet, and there's Wi-Fi box, which kind of looks a little odd, but it doesn't matter. Antenna on the bottom, the registration November 4, 1135, American flag, and a tail. So here's the back of the plane, other side of the plane, front of the plane, and the bottom of the plane. Absolutely well done by NG. All the details, the quality as well. Alright, I'll put that on the side. Put this card on the side as well. Alright, next one. United 737 MAX 9. I've been looking for this model super long time before NG models released it. Only Gemini Jets had it, which was like really hard to find. But anyway, so glad I have it. This model is starting to become a little rarer now. I can't really find it anywhere on Catabox or eBay. This was like the cheapest one they had. So. Oh, let me do the box review first. This one is even more better than the previous box because the entire box is detailed with a continental globe. Registration of this aircraft, November 37508. Side of the boxes. And the back of the box. This is my first United 737 MAX, which will be really nice. Yes. This is the first NG model 737 MAX 9 I have, and hopefully, no, it is better than Gemini Jets. Wow, look at the quality. Like, these engines stay really intact, because on Gemini Jets, the engines, well, yeah, they're just plastic. So, let's see if the model is broken, because I would not like to get a broken model. Alright, model's not broken. Nice. Alright, let's go into details right now. Okay. So, let's move the camera a little bit. So we got the nose cone here, the cockpit windows, then the gear door with the landing gear. It says E-tops something right there. And this is Star Alliance logo. This is an emergency exit door. And a United Airlines titles with this is with the gold bar on the plane right here, which looks really nice on the 737 MAX. Here's the CFM LEAP engine. And here's the landing gear, the winglet, 2 emergency exit doors right there, antenna, Wi-Fi box, which looks better than the 757. Here's a special door they have on the 737-900 or MAX 9 series. Your registration back here, November 3, 7508. American flag and the tail. Alright, so here's the back of the plane. Other side of the plane. Front of the plane. And the belly of the plane. Wait, this thing does not have a stand. Overall, this model is really nice. I'm glad to have this so I don't have to keep searching for it on eBay and buying it at $100. So let's just do it in overview. So we got this model and this one, plus some bonus pins and tags. It's pretty good actually. So yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. You should buy from the seller, not a sponsored video by the way. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.